Hey, welcome back, everybody. Thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. I appreciate the support. If you can please give me a like. If you want, subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to comment in the comment section below. The more comments and the more likes, the better. So we gotta get into this, get into this block, and we'll start assembling the new block. All right, guys, let's go. All right, boys and girls, I'm not sure how much of that was recorded because the second I start recording, they said I can't save it, so I'm not. Hopefully, you guys got that. Because I popped off these cam gears, which were not easy. So as you can see, the timing components are off. I need to clean all that stuff up. And thank God for Company 23 because those tools came in handy. Came in clutch. I honestly don't know what I would have done without these guys right here. But let's go ahead. Supra. So I have all the timing gears here. I was trying to be super careful and take them off. I don't want them to spring or anything like that because I didn't know if they do or don't. But I have them set up, as if they would be on a motor. The green markings with the green markings, and there's the technically, if this was on the card, probably be like something like that. But I mean, this little sprocket is very interesting because it's hollow. It's as hollow as it could be, so that's kind of cool. Like they try to make things as light as possible, but then with these cam gears are like as complicated as possible. Oh well, let me clean up those parts and we'll just continue on going. All right, everybody. So I'm gonna start installing the oil pump, water pump, oil pan, and the oil pickup. Had to go out and get some Honda Bond because that's pretty much like the sealant of gods. So here we have the IAG oil pickup, as it clearly states. It looks really nice. I mean, definitely a very nice looking oil pump. I don't know what the factory one looks like, but this is a very nice little, nice. Look at those welds. somebody cares about this part for sure. Definitely very cool. And the oil pump in here, water pump. You have a bunch of gaskets, so, and then you have the oil pan. So, gonna go ahead and start doing that. And then that way, I have to swap some sensors, some stuff over from the old block to this one. So then that way, I can get the timing components on and get the timing belt installed. All right.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
All right, again, thank you guys for watching this video. It's a little bit longer than the other ones. Looks like we're running about like 15-ish, 16-ish minutes here. So I took apart the old motor, and I'm slowly but surely taking some parts off. I mean, like I'm reusing the bolts for the oil pump and the water pump, and obviously the oil pan and all that, reusing those factory bolts. Then as far as for the oil pickup, AIG did supply their own bolts with it. So I used their bolts they supplied along with their gasket. It came with the O-ring, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, we're slow rolling into the assembly. I'm taking my time making sure that the motor does get assembled correctly and that it's sealed properly. As you guys saw, I was using Honda Bond. I've had a lot of experience with Honda Bond. I feel it's one of the better silicone sealants out there. And that's definitely a hill I'll die on, because I truly believe in Honda Bond. Use it for anything that I'm sealing, for whether it's my Supra or any other anything that I need to seal on a vehicle. You know, I use that. Typically on the oil pan, I'm gonna use a little more than what you're supposed to, because on the oil pans there's like little galleys. You know, with these non-gasketed oil pans, that's what you use. You're using silicone as a gasket, and they have these little galleys you gotta fill. You just gotta make sure that everything's properly laced with the silicone. So, and now this oil pump, I was, you know, being real careful, making sure that, you know, have a nice silicone layer, but nothing excessive, because you just don't want silicone getting into your oil system, because that'll create problems down the road. But yeah, I mean, so far so good. As you guys saw, I was, you know, went through the timing. I like, that's my thing. I definitely recommend that for anyone, even if you have a brand new block or a new block you're switching the timing components to. I highly recommend set timing first. That way you know exactly what timing should look like when reassembling. But also too, like, just in case if you want to, like in my case, I'm hoping to resell the block to someone that may want it. So you know, I want to make sure the valves aren't clanking on the pistons or anything like that. So I set timing before I took the time belt off, and I was able to remove the cams. And again, can't recommend Company 23 enough. They make some great quality tools. They're extraordinarily affordable. So if you work on Subarus a lot, highly recommend Company 23. Great company to deal with. The tools are high quality. I want to say at least in the same realm as Snap-on. Snap-on kind of quality without paying the Snap-on price, which is nice for me. So definitely recommend. I mean, if I didn't have those Company 23 tools, I don't know what I would have done. And I don't know what anyone does do taking off those cam bolts, because cam bolts, you know, you have to torque them down pretty hard, and basically you stretch those bolts when you torque them down. So to take them off, they're really hard. Just kind of like how, you know, like the head studs on a Jay-Z series, you stretch those bolts when you put them on. So when you take them off, they're super tough. But yeah, if I didn't have those tools, I don't know what I would have done. Those things are on tight. And of course I have to use the cam gears and everything like that, and try to be careful. So so that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully I'll have another video out next week. Again, you know, a lot of this stuff is filmed prior to you know, like at least 3 or 4 weeks back, so that way I can make more content for you guys. Then right after this STI build, I got to put together Integra. So I got an Integra coming in after December 16th. So that'll be another vehicle coming onto the channel, and we'll be working on that vehicle. All right, guys, you take care. I'll see you in the next one. Looks like we're running about like 20 minutes this video, so I'm sorry I talked too much. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it was informative. You guys take care. Have a nice week. Hopefully your Thanksgiving is good, and I'll see you next week. All right, bye-bye. Peace. Sorry. Peace.